It is difficult to predict with certainty whether Homo sapiens, or modern humans, will survive for the next 1,000 years. While humans have made significant progress in many areas, such as science, technology, and medicine, there are also a number of challenges and threats that could potentially impact our survival. Climate change is one of the greatest threats facing humanity, and it could have significant impacts on our survival. If we fail to take sufficient action to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and adapt to the impacts of climate change, we could face more frequent and severe natural disasters, such as hurricanes, heat waves, and floods, as well as more widespread food and water shortages. Pandemics, or the rapid spread of infectious diseases, are another potential threat to human survival. With the globalization of trade and travel, it is possible that new diseases could emerge and spread rapidly around the world, potentially leading to significant loss of life. The proliferation of nuclear weapons is another potential threat to human survival. The use of nuclear weapons could have catastrophic consequences, potentially leading to the destruction of entire cities and the loss of millions of lives. While the likelihood of an asteroid impact is relatively low, it is a potential threat to human survival. If an asteroid were to impact the Earth, it could have catastrophic consequences, potentially leading to the extinction of many species, including humans. The depletion of natural resources, such as water, land, and minerals, is another potential threat to human survival. If we continue to consume these resources at unsustainable rates, it could lead to resource shortages, environmental degradation, and conflicts over access to resources. Environmental pollution, including air pollution, water pollution, and soil contamination, is another challenge facing humanity. Pollution can have negative impacts on human health and the environment, and it could potentially threaten our survival if we fail to take sufficient action to address it. The continued growth of the global population is another challenge facing humanity. If we fail to address the drivers of population growth, such as poverty, lack of access to education and healthcare, and environmental degradation, it could lead to overcrowding, resource shortages, and other problems that could potentially impact our survival. The rapid pace of technological advancement also presents potential risks to human survival. For example, the development of artificial intelligence, AI, could potentially lead to the automation of many jobs, potentially leading to widespread unemployment and social disruption. In addition, the development of new technologies, such as gene editing or nanotechnology, could also present potential risks if they are not regulated or used responsibly. Overall, there are a number of challenges and threats facing Homo sapiens that could potentially impact our survival. To ensure our long-term survival, it will be important for us to address these challenges and to work together to build a more sustainable and resilient future. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to support us. See you in our next video.